Don't rusuk.
Don't rusuk. Don't chaos.
Okay, ready? Okay. Okay, can we start? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
As usual, before we start, let's start our activity by reciting basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, class, it's still raining outside, but thank you for still coming to school today, even though the weather is so comfortable for us to still laying on the bed. Okay, now today we are going to continue our math lesson. Still from the same chapter, it is about fraction. Okay, but before Miss Febri start, let's preview first. Let's recall first about our previous lesson in the last two weeks, because this week is our third week of term 3. Okay, let's review first. Do you still remember what we have learned at the first week? Raise your hand. Okay, wait. Miss Febri has microphone for Akifa. What we have learned at the first week, Akifa? At the first week, I learned
equivalent, fraction, decimal, and percentage.
At the first week? Okay, thank you, Akifa. How about the other? Do you still remember what we have learned at the first week? Okay, Aidin?
Fraction and dividing number.
Yeah, okay, good job, Aidin. Thank you, Akifa. Okay, at the first week, we already learned that fraction means dividing numerator by the denominator. Now, how about let's move to the second week? How about the second week? What we have done at the second week? Raise your hand. Okay, Alia, want to try? At the second week, just a week before.
Making fraction.
In English, na?
Making
Oh,
fraction.
Making
fraction to decimal.
Making fraction to decimal. Okay, thank you, Alia. How about the other? Anyone want to add what we have learned at the second week? At the second week, we already discussed together about how to count the fraction amount, how to calculate the amount of the fraction. Nah, why Miss Febri asked about that? Because our today's lesson still connect with those two lessons. So I hope you still remember those lessons. Okay. Nah, okay, as usual, please check our readiness and also cleanliness. You can see on my table already neat, and also Mr. Ivan, how about your table? Yeah, as usual, please make sure that your table is clean from the trash. There is no trash under or around your table. Okay, are you ready for math? Have you prepared your math book? Math book, notebook, and stationery, so you don't need to take it first at the locker. Ready? Okay, group 1, ready? Ready? Okay, Akifa group, ready? Okay, group 3, ready? Okay. Okay, faster nak. You can put on my table. Okay, thank you so much for those who already preparing the material, the book before the lesson start. Yeah, so as the evaluation, please make sure that you are ready with the subject book before the teacher start the lesson. Yeah. Now, okay, let's start our activity by connecting our lesson with Islamic value. Alhamdulillah, today is Friday, and then we all already reciting Surah Al-Kahf this morning, 1 until 10. Now, let's continue to connect our lesson with this Islamic value. This is from Surah Ar-Rahman, verse 7 until 9. Okay, who is the Khalifah for today? Picha. Okay, Picha, please help Miss Febri to read na. Bismillah. Wassama. Mizan, okay? That's go. Fill mizan. Okay, the last. Qimu was nabil kisti wala siru al mizan. Okay, thank you, Picha. Want to read the meaning of the surah? Okay, Noah. Wait, na. Wait. Using the microphone first.
Meaning, as for the sky, he raised high and set the balance of justice, so that you do not defraud the scales, weigh injustice, and do not give short measure.
And do not give short measure. Okay, thank you, Noah. So this surah tell us about the balance, the fairness, the honesty. Yeah, in math, how to show the fairness, it's about how to give the correct amount, how to give the equal value. Now today we are going to learn about equivalent fraction, decimal, and percentage that help us to keep the fairness and the balance of the number. How it is about how to give in equal based on its portion. Yeah. Okay, as usual, let's recalling again our class agreement. Yeah, can you mention it together? The first one, keep your table clean and tidy. Okay, we already did it. And then, focus on the lesson and do your best. Okay, so is it allowed? Is it polite to chit chat during the lesson? No. Yeah, the third one, listen carefully when the teacher or friends are speaking. Okay, so is it good when the teacher is speaking and then you are speaking too, or you are drawing? No. Yeah. Okay, next. Right?
Raise your hand before you talk or ask questions.
Okay, the next one.
Respect everyone. Use kind words and action.
Okay, and then Miss Febri want to add, and use moderate sounds. Yeah, it means not scream and not shouting. Yeah. Then the last one.
Finish your work well.
Finish your work well, and there is no unfinished worksheet or assignment. Okay. Now. Okay, we almost close to our main activity. Now, let's end our opening activity by doing ice breaking. Yesterday, in sex education seminar, Miss Febri saw all of you were so fun in ice breaking. Okay, can you do it again? Do you still remember about the game? Okay, the way to play still same with the previous. Yeah, still same with the games that you did in sex education seminar. When Miss Febri said, hey, when Miss Febri says head, so you have to clap once. Okay, focus. When Miss Febri says head, so you have clap once. When Miss Febri says shoulder, so you have to clap 2 times. And then when Miss Febri says knee, so you have to stomp your feet. Okay, ready? Okay, start from the easy level. Oh, stand up. Stand up. Okay, check your friends, yeah. Check your friends. Okay, still easy level. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Knee. Head. Knee. Shoulder. Knee. Head. Shoulder. Yeah, medium level. Mr. B will mention 2 parts. Okay. Knee, head. Head, knee. Okay. Head, shoulder. Shoulder, head. Shoulder, knee. Okay, now Miss Febri need one volunteer as the instructor of the games. Okay, wants to help Miss Febri? Who are on duty today?
Disha, Cheryl, Nat.
Okay, Disha. Okay, in English now. Yeah. Give the instruction. Difficult now, difficult mode. Head, shoulder. Okay, thank you. Okay, Aidin help Miss Febri. Louder ya nak.
Knee, shoulder.
Knee, shoulder.
Head, shoulder, knee.
Okay, check it.
Shoulder, knee.
Shoulder.
Head, shoulder. Head, knee, shoulder.
Head. Okay, enough. Thank you, Aidin. You may back to your seat. Okay, we already done with our opening activity. Let's move to our main activity. Now, this is our learning objective for today. Yeah. So, at the end of the lesson, I hope all of you can recognize that proper fraction, decimals, and percentage can have equivalent values. Yeah. Now Miss Febri will start the lesson by giving you some picture. What do you see now? Okay, when Miss Febri asks, what do you see? So you have to answer, I see, blah, blah, blah. Like that, yeah? What do you see?
I see chocolate.
Okay. I see, you see the chocolate bar. Okay, just imagine this is the real chocolate. Yeah? Nah, the problem is, actually these are chocolate bar. Yeah, but actually it's divided by 3 cards. Yeah, this is the first card, second card, and 3 card. Yeah, you are given 1 card of them. Now, the problem is, the question is, which card gives you more chocolate?
Same. The same.
Same. The first card gives you a half of chocolate. The second gives you 0.5 of the chocolate. And then the third card gives you 50% of chocolate.
That's also how.
Who give you, which card that gives you more chocolate? Same? Okay, Miss Febri, keep your answer first. Let's move to the second example. Now, it is about the playtime, games time. Your mom says you can play for 0.25 hours. And then, whereas your dad says you can play for 1/4 or a quarter hour. Now, which one that you choose? Your mom or your dad? Your mom or your dad? Both. Why, Razi? Dad.
Actually, Dad.
Do they give different time or same time? Same. Okay. Okay, Miss Febri, keep your answer first, yeah. Okay. Your mom give you 0.25 hours. So if we convert or express in minutes, so you will get 15 minutes time of play games. And then how about that? How many minutes? 1 per 4 is equal to 15 minutes. Yeah, so this is called the value, the amount of time. Yeah, so even they show the time by using different kind of number, but actually the value still same. Okay, this is the last example. There are 2 girls at the bookstore. On Saturday, Alia and Keina went to a bookstore. They both choose science book, but on different topic, but they still have a same price. It is 75,000 rupiah. Now, Alia said, my book has 20% off. It means the book has 20% discount. Now, how about Keina? Mine has 1 per 5th off. Yeah, it means the discount is 1 per 5%. Yeah, 1 per 5th. Now, Keina said it sounds better than Alia. Do you agree with Keina?
No.
Why?
It's same.
Raise your hand first. What thinks that it's same? Juna.
The value.
The value of the
Discount.
discount. Let's count. Alia has 20% discount. Yeah, it means 15,000 rupiah. How about Keina? Keina got 1 per 5th discount. Yeah, it means 15,000 rupiah too. So even they express the discount in different type, in different form, but the value is still same. Okay, got it? Next. Now Miss Febri has a friend. Yeah, it still relate with the previous example. Panda wants to know math. Yeah, take a look. Now, Miss Febri already give you 3 pictures. Now, let's identify. Do they look the same or different? Do they look same or different? Start from the first example. Do they look same? Do they look same? No. Yeah. For example, at the first example, the first card show fraction. The second card show decimal, and then the third card show percentage. Now, how about the second example? Yeah, Mom expressed the time in decimal. Yeah, whereas the dad show it in fraction. Yeah, they show the amount by using different form, different kind of number. And also Alia and Keina. Alia show the discount by using percentage, and also Keina show the discount by using fraction. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So do they look the same or different? The answer is different. Yeah. They look different. Okay. The Panda wants to give you another question. Are they different types of number? Yes. Yeah, they comes from different type of number. Yeah, they are decimal, percentage, and also fraction. Okay, the last question. Yeah. Do they have the same value?
Yes.
Do they have the same value?
Yes.
Okay. So what things that can you conclude from these 3 examples? Now, Miss Febri already give you a 3 good questions, so it can help you to make a conclusion. Okay, Alia?
All the numbers were different, but the answer were all the same. So
Okay, thank you, Alia. Yeah, Kifa?
the way like decimal, fraction, and percentage, it's look different,
Okay,
and the
do-
number is different, but the value is still the same.
Okay, the type of number are different, but the value stay same. Okay, what can we call it? Aidin? Okay, Akifa and Alia said that the number comes from different type of number, but the value stays same. What can we call it?
Equivalent.
Equivalent. Yeah. So what is equivalent? Equivalent, decimal, percentage, and fraction means they come from different type of number. It means from decimal, percentage, and fraction, but they have same value. So the conclusion is we can express one value, in different type of number. Yeah. If you want to express, for example, 50% of discount, so you can express it to in decimal and fraction. Yeah, that is equivalent. Okay, is it clear enough? Yes. So what does equivalent fraction, decimal, and percentage? And percentage equivalent means the value stays same, even the form is different. Yeah. Now the problem is how to make them equivalent. Now, at the previous example, Ms. Febri already invite all of you to know what is equivalent, in the simple definition. But the problem is, the thing that we need to discuss together is how to make them equivalent. Now, actually, how to make them equivalent, Ms. Febri give you some clue. After this, you will discuss with your group. Actually, the way to make them equivalent can done by several ways. Now, this way come from our previous lesson. That's why Ms. Febri asked about our previous lesson at the beginning. Now, you still remember that fraction is dividing the numerator by the denominator? Do you still remember about that?
Yes.
Okay. How about, do you still remember how to express decimal to fraction and fraction to decimal?
Yes.
This comes from our first part of the lesson. And then the last one. Do you still remember how to convert fraction to percentage and percentage to fraction? Yes. Now, these are the clue for you to discuss together with your group. How to make them equivalent. Now, Ms. Febri will give you 2 cards each group. Okay, Ms. Febri will distribute first. Group 1, group 2, group 3, Ms. Picha. Group 4, and group 5. Only 2 cards. Okay. Eyes on me. Okay, let me explain about the way we do this activity. The first one, get ready. Each group will get 2 cards. Not 3. 2 cards only. Already? Yes. Now, what you have to do with the card, now you have to find the equivalent fraction, decimal, or percentage of your card. For example, can I see your card, group 1? Now, group 1, the first card that group 1 get is fraction card. So you have Arjuna and team have to find the equivalent decimal and percentage of 2/5. Okay, clear? So if you get a fraction card, so you have to find equivalent decimal and percentage. Clear na? Nah. For example, Ms. Febri move to Akifa group. Nah, Akifa group, one more na? Okay. Nah, Akifa group get a percentage card. So what you have to do, you have to count. You have to find the equivalent decimal and fraction of 60%. After found, you can take the equivalent fraction on 3 stations. Ms. Febri already prepared 3 stations. The first station is for equivalent fraction. The second station is for decimal. And then the last station 3 for the percentage. Okay, clear enough? Yes. Can you do it in 3 minutes?
Yes.
Yeah. If you already found it, one student from the group can go to the station and then take the equivalent. Take turn, Yana. Take turn. Done? Yeah, yeah, faster. If you get decimal card, so you have to find percentage and fraction card. Done? Okay, if you are done, back to your seat. Done? Okay, for the group that already done, please say done or complete. Complete? Kaska, let me check first. Which one the first card na? Okay, 2 per 5. And then 0.3. Next, okay. The percentage? This one? Okay. 2 per 5, the equivalent. Okay. Okay. So 3 per 10 is equal to 0.3 is equal to 30%, like that. Okay. And then 2 per 5 is equal to 40%, and then is equal to 0.4. Okay. Thank you. You may sit first. Okay. Group 1 done. Okay, keep it there. Okay, Aidin done? Okay. Which one? Can you arrange? 9 per 20.
Satu boneka.
9 per 20 is equal to 0.45 is equal to, okay, one more card, 0.05, 1 per 20. Okay, keep your answer first. Okay, group 1 done. How about the other? Done? Can you arrange and show to me? Okay. What? Okay, can you mention that? 1 per 10. Aidin, stay on your seat now, please. Okay, 1 per 10 is equal to 10%. Okay. Can you mention Aren? Is equal to 1 per 10 is equal to 0.1. Okay, Gifta, can you mention the second card? 75% is equivalent with 3 per 5 is equivalent 0.75, not 0.75. Okay, thank you. Okay, How about Razi group? Ready? Can you mention?
Okay, 6 per 25
6 per 25 is equivalent.
is equivalent to 24%.
24%.
4% is equivalent to 0.24.
Okay, next card.
7 per 7
7 per 20 is
is
equal to
equivalent to 35. That is also 35%. That is also equivalent to 0.0.
Okay, thank you. Keep the answer first. Okay, the last one. Group 2. Where's the microphone? Okay. Back to your seat first. Have you found it? Not yet? Can I see your card? Okay, can you write here? Can you write here first? The equivalent decimal of 4 per 5th? Already? Yeah. 4 per 5th, yeah?
Video 31 menit.
Yeah. One card, that's okay. And then? Oh, this one. The decimal? Okay. This one, yeah? Yeah, this is find the fraction 60 per 100. You have to simplify first. Simplify, divide by. It can be divided by 10 first. So it can. Yes. Okay, done. Okay, group 2 done. Okay, your eyes on me. Okay, is it hard to find the equivalent? Okay, let's discuss about your discussion result. Okay, Miss Febri will start from group 1. Okay, can you show the card, the fraction card? Okay. Group 1 got 2 per 5th, and then it is equivalent with
40%.
40%. Okay, eyes on me. Stop the discussion first. Okay, eyes on me. Okay, Miss Febri will start from group 1. The card is 2 per 5th, and then it's equivalent with 40%. And then the decimal is 0.4. Okay, how about group 2? Are you agree?
Yes.
With this? Agree? Okay, now group 1, can you mention the way how you convert, how you express fraction to decimal? Can you sit now? Let's sit first. Okay, Ms. Febri will start from fraction to decimal. How to express fraction to decimal?
0.4 if become to fraction is for
Become to decimal now from fraction, so it means from 2 per 5th become
2 per 5th.
0.4.
5 times 2 equals to 10, and 2 times 2 equals to 4. So 4 per 10 become decimal 0.4.
4 per 10? 4 per?
4 per 10 become,
Is it 10 na?
yes,
You multiple first by 2, yeah?
yeah.
Okay, so it is equal to 0.4. So the conclusion is how to make fraction to decimal. Just now, this come from our first part of the lesson. Yeah, the first week lesson. Yeah, comes from the first week lesson. How to convert fraction to decimal? Just simply divide the numerator by the denominator. Yeah, so Raska find the decimal from the fraction by dividing 2 divide by 5. Yeah. So Raska and group found 0.4. Okay, get it? Okay, thank you, Raska. Like this, 2/5. Yeah. Since we know that fraction means divided by the denominator, so 2/5 is equal to 2 divided by 5. And then it's equal to 0.4. Okay, now Miss Febri move to group 2. Can you show me the fraction card? 4/5. And then how to express it? How do you found the percentage equivalent from 4/5? Okay, maybe you want to try? How can you found the equivalent percentage from this fraction? Do you still remember percentage mean out of 100? So, anyone know how to convert? Okay, Akifa?
So 4/5, it's multiple times 100.
100
So 100 divided by 5,
divide by 5, good job.
it's equal 20.
Equal
After that,
20, and then?
20 times 4.
Okay, so the answer is 80%. Okay, thank you, Akifa. Yeah, so the conclusion is how Akifa group found the equivalent percentage from the fraction by multiple the fraction to 100. Okay, for example, 2/5 from the fraction, yeah, 2/5 multiple by 100 means why 100? Why we have to multiple by 100? Because percentage means out of 100. Now, Akifa already mentioned very detailed the way we got the percentage. Akifa said 100 divided by 5. We already learned it at the second week, ya nak? 100 divided by 5 is equal to dividend ya. This one 4 ya nak? Akifa fraction is 4 ya. Okay, 100 divided by 5 is equal to 20. 20 times 2 is equal to 40%. Okay, is it clear enough?
Yes.
For this part, how to found fraction to decimal and fraction to percentage? Clear na? Okay, now Miss Febri wants to move to the third group. Can you show me your card? The percentage card na. Okay, Picha. Okay, Picha. Please show me the percentage card. Okay. Okay, eyes on me. Okay, Picha group get 10%. Now, how do you found the fraction equivalent of 10%? Can you show me the way? Maybe Tiara, Alia, Aren, or Gifta? From percentage to fraction. Now, Miss Abdi already give clue at the previous. Remember, percentage mean is out of 100. Okay? Okay, anyone want to help group 3 how to found the fraction equivalent from the percentage from 10%? Okay, I did. What we have to do with 10% to make it as equivalent fraction? Let me help you.
10 divided by 100.
Okay, 10 divided by 100. It means 10 per 100. Yeah, and then is it our final answer? Can we stop at 10 per 100? No. We need to
Divide by 10.
we need to simplify. Simplify by
10.
10. So the final answer is
1 per 10.
1 per 10. Yeah, so 10% has equivalent fraction as 1 per 10. Yeah, so take a look the screen how to convert, how to express percentage to fraction. Just simply write the percentage or out of 100 as the denominator. For example, 12% is equal to 12 per 100. Now, maybe your group still confused because you cannot find this fraction at the station. Now, if you cannot find, so you have to try to simplify the fraction. Maybe you still able to simplify the fraction. So you can get the final answer. Like the example here, 12 per 100 is equal to 2 per 50. Miss Febri, wait, let me explain first. Miss Febri divide by 2 is equal, it should be equal by 6. 6 per 50. And then it should be 3 per 25. Okay, now Miss Febri wants to move to Aidin group. Now, can you show to me the percentage card? Which one? And Indi, help Aidin. This year? Okay, for which one? 45% or 5%? 45%. Now, please show to Miss Febri and to all students here, how do you found the equivalent decimal of this fraction?
45
45
divided by 100.
divide by 100. So you get
0.25.
0.45, not 45. Okay, are you agree? Group 5 with I didn't answer? Agree? Okay. So the conclusion is how we get the equivalent decimal from the percentage, just simply
5.
make it as the fraction first. 12% is equal to 12 per 100. And then how to make fraction into decimal? Just simply divide 12 divide by 100 is equal to 0.12. Okay, now the last group. Okay, Razi, Noah, Raka, and Cheryl, can you show me your card? Please show to Miss Febri and to your friends the decimal card.
Decimal fraction.
Yes.
Okay, one only now. Okay, 0.35. How do you found the the fraction equivalent from 0.35? Raka, maybe want to help? How to make it as fraction equivalent? 0 point fraction. It becomes, the fraction is, can you show me? 7 per 20. How can you get it? 35 per 100 simplify becomes 7 per 20. Like that?
7 per 20.
7 per 20. Okay, thank you. The last group. Okay, now how do we found the fraction, the equivalent fraction from decimal? We already learned about it. This is decimal number and how to make it as decimal. Just simply write the decimal number here. What is decimal number? The decimal number means the number after decimal point. Okay, your eyes on the screen first now. Just write the number after decimal point as the numerator. And then how about the denominator means? Do you still remember? Just counting how many digits after decimal point. How many digits? 2 digits. It means 100. 100 means per 100. Miss Febri calling again. If there is 1 digit after decimal point, it means per 10. If there are 2 digits after decimal point, it means 100. How about if there are 3 digits after decimal point, it means 1,000. Do we have to stop here? No. Yeah. See the step. Simplify if possible. Yeah. 15 per 100 is equal to 3 per 20. Yeah. So 0.15 is equivalent with 15 per 100 and equivalent with 3 per 20. Yeah. The last one. From decimal and percentage, we still use the same example. 0.15 is equal to 15 per 100. Now, if the denominator already 100, so it's easy to ask for us to make it as percentage. Yeah, 15 per 100 is equal to 15%. Okay, how about 25 per 100? Maura, can you make it 25 per 100 becomes the percentage? 20, yeah. Can you mention the percentage of 25 per 100? 25 per 100? Okay, who can? Shakira? Can you mention the percentage from 25 per 100? The percentage, na? Okay, Arjuna? Yeah?
It's 25%.
If it's 25%. Okay. How about if 40 per 100? 40 per 100. Make it as a percentage. Okay, Ryan? 40 per 100. 40%. Clear, yeah? Okay. Now we still have about 10 minutes. Yeah. Now please tidy first your table from the group activity. Give the group activity card to Miss Febri because after this we will move to individual activity. Give me the card.
When you are done.
Give to Miss Febri. Okay, are you ready for the individual activity? Nah. Done, yeah? Nah. Okay, the name of the individual activity is Who's My Equivalent? Yeah, so you will get, one student will get one card. Yeah, let me explain first. You will get one card. It can be fraction card or decimal card or percentage card. Okay, clear for the first step? Okay, clear? And then you have to calculate by yourself. Calculate to find if, for example, Masya got the fraction card. So Masya has to find the equivalent decimal and percentage. Okay, that? Okay, clear? Now, after calculate, after found the equivalent fraction and decimal and percentage, now Masya has to walk around and to talk to other friends whether they have the equivalent card, yeah, that has same value with the card that Masya has. For example, Miss Febri got a half, 1 per 2, yeah, a half. So what things that Miss Febri need to do? I have to convert the equivalent decimal and percentage of 1 half, and then I have to walking around and then ask to Shakira, for example, Shakira, can I see your card? Whether your card has the same value with me? For example, different. Also, I have to move again and then found my equivalent. Got it? Got it, yeah?
Got it.
Okay. So at the end, you will gather with your 2 friends. Yeah. So one group will consist of 3 persons. Okay. How many students today? How many students present today? 24. Yeah. Okay. So it will be 8 group. Yeah. It should be arranged randomly.
Oke, kita ambil satu ya. Balikin ya? Balikin ya? Satu grup 5 ya?
Yeah, fine. One. Huh? Random, Mister. Okay. Keep. Don't open your card first, yeah. Keep it first. Hide your card first, okay? No. Hide first.
115 Ronaldo card.
Nada ready? I haven't got. Huh?
Aku udah dapat.
Kalian? Oh, ini dan Sheryl dan Razi dan Noah dan Pasca dan
Jangan lihat. Udah kelihatan berapa dan berapa?
dan saya kira okay. Okay. Here we go. Are you ready to count? Okay, let's count your equivalent. Let's count first.
I got it.
Okay, so now don't run, just walking and ask your friends. Okay, come to Miss Febri. Let me check first whether your number, your card already equivalent or not, and then say complete after that. Okay. Okay, Miss Febri still have 2 cards, yeah? You can use it too.
Kurangin 1, bisa itu sama.
Wait. 2 per 5.
Nah, oh berapa ini? Kalau pasangannya sama satu dari
Mister, can you hold one? Hold one. Keep one. Yeah, Miss Febri also listen. Listen now. Okay, eyes on me. Okay, Miss Febri and Mr. Ivan also have a card. Miss Febri has 2 per 5 card, and then Mr. Ivan has. Okay, come to Miss Febri. Let me check first. Complete. Okay, keep it first. Okay, you can stand here. Okay, Miss Febri already got 1 group. Miss Febri have. Okay, let me check. Let me check. Okay. Keep it first. Okay, 2 group complete. Okay, let me check. Okay, stand up here. Give to your friends. Okay, move here. Yeah! Complete. Let me check.
Satu per 10, 0,10 ada.
No, it's not. It's different. This one already good.
2 per 5.
Okay, stand up first. Okay, let me check. Okay, here.
Halo Raya.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 group are complete. 4 group are complete. Okay, Miss Febri has 2 per 5. Okay, let me check first. Naran, Akifa, and Ija. Okay, stand up in front.
Halo.
or here next to K? Okay, how many groups left?
Bisa, ini semua fit. Aku juga sini aja.
Two per fifth na, two per fifth. Percent? Ay, different.
Oh, different.
Mister?
With Felix.
Iya, Felis and
Mister.
Disha, can I see Disha?
Congratulations.
1%? There is 1%?
Nggak ada waktu itu.
40.
4/10.
This one, and then? Okay, for number one. Oh, I know. Then I see? No, this one equivalent. No, this one equivalent.
So me and who?
With Miss Febri. Can I see?
Oh.
Okay, just skip first. Okay, how about Nindi? Nindi equivalent with, okay, yeah, you can stand up there. You can stand up there.
Felix.
Okay, Miss Febri is the same group with Nindi. Disha with Miss Arifanya. No, Disha, Maura, and Felis. Okay? Okay, Miss Febri already checked. Okay, done? Okay, now Miss Febri already checked that your card already equivalent. So now you can look at the camera each group and then show to the camera we are equivalent with the style. Okay, with the style. You can arrange your style. Okay, now let's start from Razi group. Okay, just over here. Okay, say here. Just like here. 1, 2, 3.
We are equivalent to the style.
Where is the style? Like that. Okay, thank you. Maybe to your seat. Okay, next. Just mention we are equivalent and then you can show your style. Okay? Next one, ready? Keep it first now. Okay. Shh. Yeah, ID and group. Show to the camera here, that's okay. And then say, we are ready. And then show your style. 1, 2, 3.
We are.
We are equivalent. We are equivalent. We are. Where is the style? What is the style? Like this. Okay, thank you. Okay, next, you may take your seat. Okay, next. Laska. Okay, after Laska. We are equivalent and show me the style. 1, 2, 3. Where is the style? Thank you. Okay, next. Yeah, Keanu.
35%.
Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. We are equivalent. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Next, faster. Okay, Arjuna. Okay, Miss Febri curious about your style. Yeah. 1, 2. We are equivalent.
With style.
Like this? Shakira, like this? Okay. Yeah, thank you. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, Akifa, Naren, and Picha. Are you equivalent? Yes. Okay. Okay, class. please, back please. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
We are equivalent.
Where is the style? Okay, like this. Okay, back to your seat. Okay, Feliz. Disha, that's okay. Feliz, Disha, and Maura. Yeah, Nathan, back to your seat first. Wait. Okay. Listen. 1, 2, 3.
We are equivalent.
Where is the style? Okay. Okay, the last group. Keep it first. Okay, the last group. The last group. Same with Miss Febria. Okay, Disha, you may sit. Okay. One, see the camera. How's the style? Okay, 1, 2, 3. We are equivalent. Where is the style? Okay, thank you. You may back here and sit. Okay, Miss Febri will counting until 3. You have to be ready back to your seat. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Keep the card first. Okay. Is it clear enough about equivalent fraction, percentage, and decimal? Okay. Which part that is the hardest one? Fraction too? From percentage, decimal. Percentage, fraction to decimal, and then to simplify. Okay. Okay, we already done with our main activity. Let's do reflection of our lesson today. Now, the first group that is done is group. Is what we forget. Yeah, the group the individual. Ryan. Okay, Miss Febri will give Ryan group turn to take or pick one hat. Which color now? Which color? Which hat that you like, Laska? Do you want to choose yellow, blue? In English. Yeah. Which one? Ryan? Just pick one hat only.
Tidak salah.
Red? Okay, sit down first. Ryan, choose the red hat. So it is about the willing reaction and fight. Okay, Miss Febri wants to ask to Ryan, what do you feel during the lesson? I'm happy because I can understand. Okay, so you can be focused, yeah? Okay, thank you. Okay, one more hat. Miss Febri will choose. Okay, the white hat. Okay, Miss Febri want to ask about the fact or the main ideas, the main point of our lesson today. Miss Febri want to ask to Noah. Can you help Miss Febri to do reflection by using the white hat? White hat is about the fact, the main point about our lesson today. What the main point that Noah get from the lesson? We get to know
Equivalent fractions,
equivalent fraction,
percentages,
and
decimal.
decimal. Okay, can you mention the way? Or what is equivalent? What is equivalent?
Is the number is different, but the value is the same.
Okay, good job. Okay, so the main point of our lesson today is about equivalent fraction, decimal, and percentage. Yeah. So what is equivalent? Equivalent means the number, yeah, can be different, but some of the number has the same value. Yeah. So if you want to mention one value, you can express it in different kind of number. It can be in decimal, percentage, or fraction. Yeah. Now, as the follow-up for today's lesson, yeah, Miss Febri will give you homework from students book page 162. Yeah, please take a note, give mark, and then the due date is on Monday, 26 January. Okay? Yeah, that's okay. Okay? Any questions now?
No.
Is it clear enough?
Yes.
Okay, if there is no question, let me sign out by reciting Hamdalah together. Okay, thank you for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, you can give the card to the leader of the group, and then the leader of the group can put them on my table. Tidy your table first. Tidy your table first. We still have